we are gonna see if we can find this wild honeybee nest. I stumbled upon it once before when we were scouting out the property. And this is hill number 4. And it was along the property line. And we're gonna see if we can find it again.
At least 20.
25.
Wow. So many. See, I saw only some like right there, and then I saw some right there.
Wow. Yeah.
There they go. Dang, they're fast.
Yeah, we're making them nervous. So I know the honeybee nest was in a tree on the property line. And there was a pretty big slit in the side that the bees were going in and out. No. That may be it over there. Okay, don't get too close.
Okay.
You see right there? I think this is it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I see bees.
Zoom into it.
Yeah.
And you're hitting your timber.
Honey. So this is a juniper tree. Very interesting. They've got a lovely view.
Yep. They do.
The bees?
Yeah.
I want to step a little closer.
Are you gonna look inside it?
I want to be real careful.
Honey.
Yeah, it's just full of them. They've got cone all through there.
Oh, do you see the cone?
Yeah.
Okay, Luke, just don't shake any trees around you, buddy. We don't want to knock that. We're in their world. Okay.
I don't see the cones because the bees are.
You can't, well, they pack the cone in there. You can,
That's cool.
you can remember
Where'd the cows come from?
it's in a direct line with that tree down there.